Welcome, today in front of me Infinix Hot 11, and I'll show you how to turn on or turn off silent mode on this device. So first you should press your up or down volume button, that doesn't matter, and then here you'll see the volume panel. Just click twice here on the bell icon, and as you can see, all the calls and notifications will be muted. And by this way you can turn on the silent mode on this device. And if we want to turn it off, just you should click again on press again your up or down volume button and click just once here on the bell icon, and as you can see, we got here the message that all of our calls and notifications will ring. So that's it. Thank you guys for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.